My name is Elizabeth Cook. I am the Career Readiness Coordinator at SC Works Midlands. I'm just here to jump on and talk about our upcoming workshop calendar for February of 2022. I'll go over what workshops we will be holding as well as our orientations. So our orientations are informational sessions for the WIOA program. So it's your first step at getting enrolled into the program. As you can see on the calendar, I do our orientations every Tuesday and Thursday. So I do an in-person every Tuesday at 10 a.m. and I do a virtual every Tuesday at 2 p.m. Every Thursday, I do a virtual at 10 a.m. And then on Fridays, there are in-person sessions at our Winnsboro office only on Fridays. And if you want to register to attend one of these sessions and begin your process in the program, you can just scan that QR code in the top right of the calendar. And then if you're going to join us virtually, you can scan that QR code in the bottom right corner of our calendar. So that's kind of your first step at getting into the program. Now, if you are just interested in attending some workshops, you do not have to register. You do not have to be in the program. They are free and open to the community. So my first workshop will be on February 2nd. It's a job interviewing 101 workshop. So we will discuss our best practices for job interviewing. Kind of like what kind of questions you're going to face, how you should present yourself, the best way of communicating in a job interview, and how to prepare. There will be another workshop held on February 7th at 9 a.m. This is going to be taking place at our Columbia office, and it is titled Building Your Career in Welding. So that's a super cool workshop. It is actually facilitated by Earl Price, who is a master welder. He works for the school ArcWeld, which is one of our partners with the WIOA program. And he will be discussing how you can jumpstart your career into welding with the assistance of WIOA as well as the school ArcWeld. On the 9th, we will have a computer basics for the workplace workshop, and that is going to be facilitated by Training Concepts, which is our IT training provider. That is going to be in person at our Columbia office. That's a really neat workshop. You get hands-on computer skills through that workshop, and that is going to be from 11 to 12:30. On Friday, the 11th, I will be hosting a workshop creating a professional social media presence. That is going to be 10 to 11. Again, that one is going to be virtual, and I will be discussing how you can clean up and professionalize your social media accounts. On the 14th, we will have a workshop facilitated by 327 Careers. He will be discussing how you can receive training and gain employment through that specific program that is really geared towards skilled trades and construction. And then on the 16th, our business services consultant will be hosting a workshop, how to keep a job. So best practices and tips for not only getting the job, but keeping the job, which is just as important. And then we will be closed on the 21st in observance of President's Day. On the 23rd, another welding workshop with Earl Price at 9 a.m. in the Columbia office, followed by Microsoft 365 in the cloud at 11 a.m. in the Columbia office. That one will be hosted by Training Concepts again, where we will be discussing the Microsoft 365 applications, kind of how to navigate them, which is super essential for almost any job now, having those basic computer skills. And then ending the month with resumes on the 28th, I will be hosting a Create a Standout Resume workshop from 11 to 12. So I'll be discussing the best way of formatting and the best use of language in a resume. And I will actually help you hands-on create a resume. You will leave with a brand new sparkly resume after that workshop. But that's kind of a quick rundown of the workshops and orientations that we have upcoming for February. I'm super excited to kick off this month with another round of employment readiness workshops, and I hope to see some of you there.